What is going on? Welcome back to this hobby of ours. I am your host, D, and a very special episode today, my trip to see the team at Hamilton and Lancaster. Fast on the heels of my LA trip. Keep your eyes peeled for all that fun footage. But as I'm recording this, I'm almost about to hit 5,000 subscribers. So thank you to everyone who's come along on the ride. And if you're not subscribed yet, by all means, please do. Went out to see the watchmaker of filmmakers, Hamilton and Lancaster. Shout out to L. Presley, Cameron, the team. Got to do a bunch of fun things there. I didn't do a wrist check in that video either. This is my takeoff, Hamilton takeoff, which has a bit of a party trick. You can take it off of your wrist and put it into the cockpit of your airplane. Don't have one of those yet, but who knows? Things are going well in the Hobby of Ours universe. You're going to see a bunch of little interviews, vignettes in this one. Got to speak with Betty Lou, who used to work at Hamilton in Lancaster, as did her husband and his father. And she was donating some pretty cool items to the Lancaster store. Also got to interview Dave, a fellow Hamilton nut like your boy D, and the Mayor of Lancaster, plus the CEO of Hamilton, Francesca herself, was there, and got some quality time with her, talking about the special release for the 250th anniversary of America, this Hamilton watch, which you'll see in a minute. I'm going to put a little sneak preview right there for you. And lastly, I got my portrait done. I'm going to save it to the end, by a fabulous local artist by the name of Maria. Check out her website, mariatomasetti.com. I'm going to put some footage of her work. I didn't know what to expect from that portion of the day, but she does these marvelous, I believe, watercolor paintings on the spot, like right there. And one of the cool things she does is you could hire her to come to your wedding and make some portraits of, I imagine the bride and groom, maybe some other guests. And it's really quite lovely. So I wanted to give her a shout out and a very special thank you for doing my portrait. We'll save that to the end. I've got my interview with her spliced along the way. There's a bit of a teaser to keep you along on the ride all the way until the end. And without further ado, let's head on out to Lancaster, PA. Off to see Hamilton, here we go. Don't run me over. I mean, it remains an option. Good day, sir.
How you doing?
Doing good. How are you?
Good.
All right, here we have all the Hammy fans ready for the big party. How's it going, everybody?
Everybody coming in, and then the Mayor of Lancaster will give us some words as a thank you for coming to our park, and the CEO as well to welcome everybody. So yeah, everybody come in now. You can come in. And we're gonna stay on one side of the store. Always behind them over there.
Step up. I didn't realize how many people were outside in line, so I'm glad you guys had, hey, what's up, Andres?
You're representing.
Well, yeah, it's good to see everyone, and I know it's a rainy day, but it's just, love to see the enthusiasm over the release of the 250th Hamilton watch. Hamilton is just an iconic brand. Not too many people are aware of it started right here in Lancaster City. And my background in small business and economic development, I personally have a passion of small businesses that think about how they serve their people well. And for generations, Hamilton has done that, from developing workforce housing in what is now Clock Towers to building the Hamilton Park that we have right here in Lancaster. So for generations, Hamilton has had a tremendous impact, and I'm grateful for the continued investment in our community and showcasing the flagship store that we have right here in such a beautiful historic building. So thank you so much for continuing to call Lancaster your home, and I love to welcome all of you today on such a special day. Thank you for being here.
Yes, thank you so much. Enjoy the reveal of the watch, and I will be here to discuss with all of you. I want to know you all personally and to have a talk with all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Shout out to the Mayor of Lancaster. Jamie, how are you, sir?
Hey, I'm doing great. Yeah, welcome to Lancaster. It's an awesome turnout in here.
Amazing day, sir. Well put together. Glad you could join. This will be the line for the buy. We are at Hamilton, and we are speaking with...
Maria.
What's up, Maria? What are you doing up in this business today?
I'm going to be painting some portraits of people.
Outstanding. You should paint a portrait of my watch, not my coconut. But
Totally, I would love to.
We're going to give it a shot together.
All right.
Are you a local artist, Maria?
Yes.
Okay.
From Lancaster County, and yeah, I've lived here in the city for almost 10 years, and yeah, would love to draw.
Outstanding. That's what I call a shark plate. Here we have the reason for the season, the belle of the ball, the reason we are here today, the Hamilton 250th Anniversary Khaki Field Mechanical, which is a reissue of their 1970s reference FAPD 5105, which was standard issue for the Army and Air Force personnel in the 70s. And at the store, they even had an original one on display with the new release right next side to it. We're looking at a 36mm watch here, acrylic crystal, fixed spring bars, and 80 hours of power reserve. And if I hadn't just recently purchased my Lancaster edition, this one would most certainly have made the list. All right, after a quick break, we are back with Maria, who is finishing up my little caricature. The challenge is, I have this sort of beauty that's constantly in motion, Maria, so you may not have been able to capture it, but we shall see in a moment.
Okay.
Let's drop some green in there, shall we?
On the shirt?
Sure.
Yeah, definitely.
I left my lime green poncho at home, sir.
Then you can't be on the
So much. I did not get the memo.
There's another guy back there with one.
Oh, there is? Where's he at?
I don't know. It
You're
was pouring
recording
when we
this.
left.
I am.
That's okay, but you know why I have a lime green one.
I don't, sir. Go ahead and tell us
Because
why.
when you're old, your wife has to find you. And it's much easier to tell store security he's got a lime green raincoat on.
You know, I would use the same logic at the airport, sir.
We travel everywhere with it.
I adore it. Enjoy your time at the Hamilton store.
Thank you, sir.
Tell me a little bit about this Hamilton, sir.
This is a Hamilton 4992B, which was converted after World War II to a 12-hour dial. The original 4992B is considered the best watch made. It was issued during World War II, and it's what people believe saved the world from the Germans. And they were navigator watches that had 24-hour dials on them.
Would this have been a railroad timepiece initially?
This is not a railroad timepiece. This is a U.S. military timepiece. This is pendulum set. A railroad watch has to be lever set. Do you understand, or you want me to explain?
Please explain.
Okay. On a railroad watch, there were several requirements, but the main one was you set the watch by a lever. And what you would do is you would take the crystal off, and there was a little lever that you pulled out, and that's how you set the watch. That way you could not have an accident setting the wrong time, and that was inspected by the watch inspectors of the railroads.
Brilliant. Thank you, sir.
Anytime.
As of this recording, Hamilton watches have been featured in over 500 major feature films and television shows. Known in the industry as the movie brand, their timepieces have played a role in Hollywood since 1932, truly making them the watchmaker of filmmakers.
I forgot about the watermark down there, but that's okay. It's kind of cool.
Lovely. Betty Lou, how are you?
Right? You're a poet and don't know it. Yes, I'm good.
Indeed. So Betty has a long history with Hamilton. Her husband used to work there.
Yes.
She used to work there.
Yes.
And tell us what brings you into the store today for this special event.
Well, I have quite a few of items from Hamilton Watch that I'm going to donate today. A lot of them are actually from my father-in-law. My father-in-law was employed for 43 years at Hamilton. And so I have most of the things I'm donating today would be actually from him. I do have some items from my husband, but I'm keeping most of them at this point. Eventually, down the road, after I'm no longer here, there will be more coming.
How much of the, well, I should say, how many of these items are you donating to Hobby of Ours today?
I didn't even count them. There's a whole box sitting right here behind me with them
Just
in.
look over to the left, Betty. I'll just reach my hand back in here into the box and
There's
just help
the box.
myself. And look, this is a Hobby of Ours, Hamilton style. Had to come to Lancaster, had to come enjoy everything with Eliel. Just an amazing time. It's been marvelous to speak with you. You've been so charming. What we'll do is, I know there's going to be a presentation of some kind of that.
Yes.
You may see me circling about at that point,
That's
and perhaps we'll have another word and maybe enjoy a beverage together. But it was lovely to meet you.
Nice
and
meeting
thank you for
too.
taking some time with me.
Sure, no problem.
Back to you in a minute.
I noticed.
I am here with Francesca, the CEO of Hamilton. Thank you so much for taking some time with me today.
Thank you.
Yeah, no, it's an amazing event. I'm good friends with Elle. Shout out to TGV. That's how I met everyone here at the store. And yourself, very grateful to speak with you. Tell me a little bit about why we're here today and the specialness of this watch and what it means to you.
Well, we are here to celebrate, first of all, the fantastic connection the brand has with Lancaster, where everything started. And we had a fantastic event yesterday also with the international press coming from all over the world. This is very important because we want to tell the story of the roots of Hamilton to everybody around the world. And then, especially today, we wanted to do something dedicated to the city of Lancaster and the people living in the area for the launch of this new piece, the 250 America 36 millimeter. It's a re-edition of a watch we were doing in the 1970s. It was for the navigators. It was at the time like a special production, just done once, and then it was never touched again. This year, we thought it was the good year, the special year to do it because of the 250th anniversary for the US, which is our very special. And it's also the perfect combination of mechanical and winding, which for Hamilton, it's really the movement. It's the origin. It's something our public really love this type of movement. And then it's the opportunity to have a new size, the 36 millimeter, which is fantastic because it's more linked to the traditional size. In the past, the army watches were small, it was even a 34, and to bring also this new size in our collection. So we know already it's a big success.
Yeah, I think it's selling out as I'm watching it.
It's like today it's going to be like for the special edition the only call, and then we will have the release of the 2026 edition.
A wider one.
A wider one produced only in 26. So it will anyway be a very, very special watch. So
Perfecto. Thank you so much for taking the time to
Thank
speak
you.
with me today.
Thank
And we will
you.
catch you later
Thank
in
you.
the next episode of Hobby of Ours. Peace. Word around the campfire is Maria the artist is done with my visage. By all means, Maria, do share with the Hobby of Ours
Right.
viewership.
There it is.
Bam.
D.
To be fair, I asked for a young Ben Affleck. I don't know that she captured it, but as I mentioned earlier, I have the type of beauty that is constantly in motion. Thank you so much for taking the time with it, Maria. It was really lovely to meet you today.
All right, thank you.
Bam! Shout out to Maria. Thank you so much for the portrait, friend. It was so lovely to meet you that day. Check out the link in the description to her website. And a big shout out and thank you to L, my main man in Lancaster at Hamilton. Thank you so much, sir, for inviting us to come out there. And by us, I mean me and the voices that I hear. It was such a great pleasure to spend more time with you and your team. Hope that wherever you are, this wonderful, beautiful hobby of ours, you're doing well and that you're blessed. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace! If you'd like to support the channel, head over to hobbyofhours.com. We've got artwork, coffee mugs, hats, t-shirts, and even a watch book. 1001 Watch Designs, Volume 1. Over 1,000 designs in here. Steampunk, super futuristic, kaleidoscope, even super real ones. Watches that you could probably put on your wrist today. It's a great way to support the channel. Thanks for coming along on the ride.